The rent versus buy debate misses the real question. Are you investing the difference? Renters who invest build just as much wealth as homeowners. Mortgage payment includes interest, taxes, insurance, maintenance. True cost of homeownership: 1 to 3% of home value per year in expenses. $400,000 home: $4,000 to $12,000 per year in ownership costs beyond mortgage. Calculate the difference between rent and equivalent mortgage payment. Invest that difference in index funds every month. $500 per month difference invested for 20 years at 10% equals $382,000. Geographic flexibility: move for better jobs, lower-cost cities. No repair bills: HVAC replacement, roof, plumbing equals landlord's problem. Liquid assets: investments sell in days, homes take months. You plan to stay 7+ years. Below this, renting usually wins financially. 20% down payment saved, no PMI. Emergency funds separate from down payment, still intact after purchase. Get my rent versus buy calculator at https://fundbiz.gumroad.com. If this helped you at all, please hit the like button right now. It tells YouTube this video is worth showing to more people. And subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss a tip. We post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.